Hello there, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make these delicious gizzards that I absolutely enjoyed and my family loves it. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Please consider subscribing as well, and if you're stopping by for the first time, karibu sana, and let's get started. To start off, I have my gizzards here that I've already cleaned. I've halved them. You can cut them according to your desired preference or even leave them whole. I also have colored peppers. You can only use green bell peppers. That is according to your preference as well. I have onions here, garlic and ginger. I have pureed tomatoes. You can always use whole tomatoes. I prefer pureed because they cook really fast. And also I have coriander. And for my spices, I'll be using Royco cubes, that is the chicken flavor, paprika, black pepper, cumin, and a little bit of garam masala. We'll start by prepping the gizzards. I have some oil in my pan and it's on medium-high heat, and I'm going to shallow fry the gizzards. I know some people prefer also to boil the gizzards and add a little bit of salt. Still works well, but I absolutely prefer this method because the flavor that comes out from the gizzard is absolutely beautiful. If you haven't tried this method, please go ahead and try it and let me know how yours turned out. Once the gizzards are done, set them aside. Next step will be preparing the sauce. So I have some little bit of oil here and I'm going to add some onions and fry them until they're translucent. Once that is done, I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. Next, I'm going to add my pureed tomatoes. You can totally use whole tomatoes, but make sure that they completely break down. Cook them really well. Next, I'm going to add in my seasoning, and you can use whatever spices that you prefer. You are not limited to what I'm using, but this is just what I had and what I prefer also with my gizzards. Add some salt as well to taste. Once that is done, it's time to add our gizzards. I'm going to let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes before I add the bell peppers because I don't want them to shrink and lose their color. Next, I'm going to add in my bell peppers. Remember, our gizzards are done, so I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes because we don't want the bell peppers to lose their color. And you can see how they still look beautiful. Go ahead to add in your coriander and your gizzards are ready to serve. And there you can see the gizzards up close, so beautiful and colorful, and the aroma is to die for. This was absolutely delicious. I served it with some hot ugali and I can't wait for you guys to try it. Please share this recipe with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up as well, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye.